In this short video, I'm going to show to you how to convert a bunch of if statements into a ternary ladder. This is not directly related to our fun with for loops. This can be done anywhere, but I think this is a good candidate just to show how this code works right here. So let's refresh the page, paste in the code that we have, and start changing it right away. So here I'm just going to remove the if and the opening round brace, and also this part right here. I'm going to add a question mark to start the ternary, and I'm going to add the other side of the ternary right here at the end. And that's pretty much it. I'm just going to continue repeating this approach until I've gotten rid of all the unnecessary, I guess you could say, characters. And now, to confirm that this works, we can run the code and let's see what we get. And indeed, we get the same result as we had before, only written somewhat differently. Some people might say this is cleaner, while some other might not prefer this because, to be honest, the readability sort of gets worse as the ternary conditions and code gets more complex. But still, it's an interesting concept to keep in mind. It's called ternary ladder, and this is one implementation of it in a FizzBuzz exercise.